how to maximize your smokeless fire pit to get the best reburn and the best campfire experience out of your Breeo fire pit. Well, the way a smokeless fire pit works is the heat from the fire creates convection where the air rises through the walls and comes out of the holes around the rim and creates secondary combustion, which burns off the smoke. The key to that is heat. So how do you get a hot fire? Well, it all comes down to the wood. Your wood needs to be dry. Store it under an overhang, under a tarp, inside. If you buy it from a store, it'll be kiln dried, that will be dry. Just make sure that your wood is dry. The next thing is make sure that you split your wood down. You don't want big logs, especially in the beginning of the fire. You want to split down to about that size in the beginning stage of the fire especially. Put in plenty of wood and get that fire going about 20 minutes before your guests arrive so you get some coals built up and the overall fire pit, all the steel gets hot as well. Once that fire pit really gets momentum, you can see it really starting to reburn like it is right now. You'll notice that as the fire matures later into the evening and it has a big bed of coals, it takes less wood to keep the secondary combustion and the reburn working well. Those are the keys to maximizing your smokeless fire pit.